Caution, bastard.
Supercalifragilistic, but I history read. I make my tipsy, some buy all 50 brain is lifting. Them I watch me like I say.
Alright, so welcome to the Launch Podcast. I don't know, it's your boy King Javi. And before we, as we usual, before we do any introduction, you don't know, so we want to take the time to pick up our sponsor, Visual Tech Solution, with content creation and web design. You can follow them and check the link in the description down below for reach them. You get me? I say, so people, with us today, we have upcoming dancehall artists. You understand? Give them your name and let them know who they are.
One Skxlly dann one.
One Skxlly dann.
Skxlly dann.
Skxlly dann. Big up yourself, father.
Clue.
Yeah, man. We see you put out some work from where they and you know, so we have to take the time and make the people them know about you. You understand? So we're gonna get straight into it as we start off every interview for the people them who don't know you. Give them some details about you.
Alright, first and foremost, my real name is Ashan Maraj. Love music, been a do music from my born, you see me? Hard working. Me just say how my life is just really about music. And just music. You see, that's my focus right now, that's my focus from back then, from a tender age, just music.
Oh, so where you followed up from?
Like we started my base from Radios.
Ready also from town you really come from, okay. And like family.
Like family wise, who I live with.
You have siblings and people them still alive and well, right?
Yeah.
And schooling?
No, I start with school.
Start with school. Alright, no problem. So why music? Or why you decide to do music or take up that as a profession?
You know, some born of the music still. Born of the music. Now my blood, my father is the music, uncle the music, so I just born of the music, born of it.
Alright. I say we know we love to see when the youths have a passion about something, you understand, and not turn to like any negative things, anything wrong. We like to see when the youth them have something in mind what they want and them go for it, you understand? So since you've been doing music, how has the reception been for you as so far, you can say?
The feedback? Good so far.
From peers and from family, get authorized from, what I say, from family?
Yeah,
them authorize it?
Yeah, them authorize it first.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just say them authorize it first and then everybody get to hear what I go on.
Yeah.
And then kind of authorize it to you see it.
Alright.
But a family first.
As you can hear, you know, authorize a new word that go on, you know.
Yeah.
If you don't get authorized, yeah. So how old you be now? As you seem very young, you know.
19 years of age.
19. And how long now? Yeah, you can say you do some recording, like do some. Cause we see we have whole heap of song and music video out, you know.
Yeah.
So from when you really record like the first song and put on, really, if you can record the first song you record and put out.
Me just say about 9th grade. Yeah.
And who would they say the producer?
One of my cousins them.
Okay.
He record my first song.
Yeah.
First song. Me release it in 9th grade. His name M14. Yeah, that was him engineer name.
M14.
Yeah.
I think me hear of I'm not sure if I see him M14 or me know of.
Yeah.
But not really know of it, but me familiarize with some
name.
things what me see on Insta and on the media still.
Yeah.
So him are the first person
To record me.
Yeah, and can tell me the name of that track?
357. Right now it's supposed to be on YouTube.
On
It's
your-
another first song voice, but it's the first song release.
Okay, so it not on your YouTube though, but overall, not on your YouTube page, but overall on YouTube it's supposed to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
So Caution Records or Caution.
Yeah.
How the link they come to be and how they start work together.
You know, say one of my cousins do dan, it's dan music.
Yeah.
Him and Caution a family. And he did not know say me an artist. And Caution a producer. So you don't know that guy already.
Just make a link and connect up.
Yeah.
Understand. And as me see whole heap of things been a go on and we love all of them things they will go on. And we just want you to keep up the work, you understand? Because we see as a young youth and you really kind of focus on something, we like all of that and we love to see when the young youth focus. Yes, so for like inspiration now, who would you say you give inspiration or person you really look up to in the music industry, or you understand, you've been a grower and listen to? Because at that age you say you're 19, you know.
Yeah.
So you're a young youth coming to the music industry now. So who are some of them artists you know where you say you listen to and then inspire you?
Alright, me that say first and foremost, my father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where
Me
father
that say
name? Father name. My artist like what?
Junior Cat.
Junior Cat?
Yeah.
Your father?
Yeah.
Big artist, man.
Yeah, say
Yeah, man. So you have that in your gene already. Yeah, man. Continue.
I mean that say Super Cat as well. You don't know my uncle that. I say Cat and my father.
Super Cat.
I'm my uncle. Yeah.
Uncle.
Yeah.
I say you're full of musical.
Born in the music, man.
Yeah,
I say, man, we are music itself.
Like that, man.
Alright, now me
Like
that
you see the road where you even take on as well. Continue.
I mean that say, you don't know Jenna's side and the east side. Skxlly bang, one Skxlly, one bang. Yeah, that's them that.
Okay. Skxlly bang, and we say genocide, that are massacre.
Yeah.
And alright. So, as I said, that is the inspiration for you coming up. Your father, your uncle, massacre, Skxlly bang. So, the type of music where you want put out, is it like a chop dancehall, or you just go back to the authentic raw dancehall music? What would you say your music type is?
You know, so me that kind of say, I don't even know which genre me belong to. I just consider myself say, I come change the game, because when I sing, say, I kind of total different thing from what everybody else sing, say, see, it's kind of totally different.
So like
way totally different.
So I like the whole chop thing, the whole obia thing, the whole demon thing. Where you do it? You're not diving into that.
No, good darkness too, but the way we sing it and deliver it, it doesn't sound like how everybody else do it. You see, it's way different. Yeah, so and people kind of like that difference there, you see it? Yeah.
I understand. Because as we can say, the music, you know, it kind of like it revolve around chopping.
Yeah.
Nowadays. So if an artist not talk nothing about chop, or a man go down the and sing about the markets, feel like say yo, them not delivering any bars. What's your take on that? Because honestly, sometimes I believe say yo, them now find more creative ways of deliver some of them things. You understand? Not like say yo, me not listen to music and them me not love it, you know. And then you would have say, alright. A person would have come out and say, yo, everybody are sing about chop, but yet still at the song I play and I still the song I get big. You understand? Them come out and say, yo, them not like it, you know. You understand? And too much chop song I come out. But at the end of the day, I song I get big and bigger. You understand? But sometimes more creative ways can be brought into how some of the songs them deliver.
Yeah. Alright, me that kind of say why them type of song they reach far first and foremost. I call the nation like it, but if we keep on like if them keep on I hear it, meaning the people them I hear it and I hear it like the same thing over and over, eventually them are gonna get tired of it at a point, you see. True. So that's why youths like we know we just come up in the game. We have to just tell ourselves say we have to change it, you see it. Yeah, we have to, me, I don't know about everybody else, but me just know say me I gotta always be different, and that make me I gotta always stand out, you see it. Make more people gravitate to it because them like the difference. People kinda like that difference there. You see?
So, alright. The first time me can recall me hear a chop song, it was from an artist called Skxlly. Have a song named Scammer Them there. It went big. I don't know if you know that song, you know, Big Money Popping. Then after that, what I can recall, I don't know if people that do scamming song, but that I first chop a big song, you understand? Where in which me see everybody kind of follow up on the trend. We see way in which Intense come and sing Yahoo Boys, went big and viral, you understand? Then we see way in which is just like a trend now into the dancer scene. So even as we mentioned in a different interview, we see way in which persons go like when I deliver the music. But in the music now, when them deliver, somehow them characterize certain words or deliver certain words and talk about some, like even the females, dog shit, even them degrade most persons. You understand?
Yeah.
What's your take on that and the music what we can expect from you as an, you understand? Because you have some of the elders them super cat you say and all of them personally where you listen to.
Yeah.
So what we can expect from you now, knowing that you have them elders there behind you and you come from a musical background and you come in, what changes we can expect we see through the music?
Alright, with me now, me just say, I got every type of genre in the music still, you know. For me just say, my change from them, I don't know, say, is a different type of genre music, so you have to hear the changes, you see, this a dancehall, that was reggae, you see it? So right now, me just say, my change in the music, I like, the way me deliver the song, them as I say that about the delivery, the way me deliver my song, them, is like, me just say no. The way me deliver my song them is like I feel an aggression like when me deliver my song them is like I feel an urge there.
Yeah.
You see it? And it's like that me just say me difference cause me different cause me have a little brother, him DJ too. And me just say that the only difference with delivery.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me just say that.
So how about performing? Have you graced any stage as yet in performing? Like big, not even so big show, but you perform in front of audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I start perform, yes. I start do some stage show. I have a stage show come up with me and a couple of other artists, Skxlly, Sean, Determined, same way. I start do a couple, I have a couple performance experiences. I just say that.
So, like you feel nervous while going to
no,
just a performance?
No, man, I don't feel nervous. No time. No, when we are grace the stage, no.
Never feel nervous. Enough persons would have come in and say, yo, yeah man, I feel nervous and when them on grace the stage and first time performance.
Probably when I see like a big crowd, but so far I'm not nervous. Alright.
And as we say, we love what you do so far. We see Caution, you and Caution are work. We see way in which the Chaka Rhythm, we see way in which project followed out for you in the last couple days with the Chaka Rhythm, all that arrange and because we don't know say it's a DJ Mac production that you know, so all of them things they arrange and when time you hear Caution bring even the beat to you and say, oh yeah, we have a rhythm for you. When you listen, you see say, yo, Mac rhythm. How you did feel about that?
You know, say it just kind of unexpected still because we always there at the studio. I think it was last, I don't remember if last week or the week before that. We did just there and we always go there and do song for a weekend. Him that showed me how to go to the studio. A voice couple song, put in some work. That day they may not voice a song and after my voice a song, I may voice the next song. But I never have the lyrics for the song. Him start the rhythm. When I start listening to the rhythm, I realize it's a mock rhythm.
Yeah.
I never did start the lyrics for the song, but from what day it's like I don't even have to start the lyrics, then I just go in
and just start deliver.
And just start delivering the song done in less than no time or less than 50 minutes. Song done.
And you never have to write down nothing. So, like the usual process for you, you normally just write down anything or do any type of writing going into this studio session?
Yeah, I start right. Yeah, I start right.
But nowadays you can just top it off of your head?
Yeah.
Alright. And that is like a progress for you now. So you're not for just go there and just do any type of delivery.
No, me never used to write at first, and now me start write.
Oh, so the first thing was just freestyling.
Yeah.
And then now you
start
write.
Like I realize when I start right. Lyrics when I do but crazy man. Crazy.
So like persons when we can see who we see you working with in the future. You have any collabs coming out soon? Any persons, any names that you can mention that you have some works in the line coming up?
Out there? Not really, not yet. I see family did reach out to Caution. I don't know if it's a collab and did want to work. Caution never make me really know nothing about that, but I have a feeling it's a collab. I hope it's a collab.
Yeah. Would that be good for work with even family as well, you know, as established dancehall artists. Yeah. And you see anybody out there with that you would want to work with, or team up with, do some collab? Male, female?
One Skxlly, one big one east side.
Skxlly bang?
Yeah.
Alright. Skxlly, I hope you are watching. I see the youth really put out some work and would really like to make something happen, you understand? Because as you say, when we see a young youth really focus on what they want to do, we have to push the youth and make sure the youth them do the right thing. Because I know all of us have or know what we really want to do. That's it, you understand? Yeah. And we like how you know what you want and you just focus on it, and we see you put out great body of work and it get streamed and you get recognition after the work you put out, you understand?
Yeah.
So I want to tell the people them how them can reach out to you, how them can connect up with you, how them can link up with you.
I don't know, say Skxlly dann, Skxlly dann, Instagram, Skxlly dann, YouTube, same way.
Skxlly dann?
Yeah, I don't really depend on TikTok as yet. I don't use Facebook. I don't know email. If you want to reach out to me, I don't know, say my real name, that I have to change it soon, but my real name ashanmaraj207@gmail.com.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that's it.
Okay, so like for bookings and so, you have any like a management team or anything like that?
No, so I still work on that. Yeah, but I just say a Caution same way I work, is it?
Okay, so if anybody want to link up or if they can reach you on your Instagram or so, then just can link Caution.
Caution beats.
Caution, alright, no problem. So I see you bring a guest with you today?
Skxlly.
Alright, so as we say,
fully.
alright, big up yourself. So for the people them who don't know who you be, make them know who you be now.
One Skxlly in a place, you know, I say how I represent for Pop G. One La Familia, you see me, one team, one dream.
Alright.
You see me, that
so
is it.
We see you forward out, you know, because we see say you're not left with ski mask, you know.
No joke.
Yeah, man. So what the full thing behind the ski mask thing, you know?
Ski mask, I come out with a kind of ski mask line, you see me? Ski mask, balaclava, basically anything you want, you get, you see me? You can DM me, one Skxlly, you see me? Then Caution, Pop G, if you want any ski mask, build, you see me? We have custom skis.
Yeah.
Basically anything you want, you see me? Shirt, anything.
Alright, so you just come out with a whole line of clothes and ski mask thing.
One La Familia production, you see me?
So them can find that page on Instagram or something?
Yeah man, from your link Pop G, One La Familia, you link me up on Instagram, Skxlly, you see me, you can get them there.
Alright, so Skxlly now. And we see you work with Caution as well, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the whole connection make right there, so.
But you know, say, a Pop G make the connection. Basically, we are grow from a tender age, you see me? So when dog did fly out and thing and come in back and we make a connection, dog to say, oh, I'm active on the music thing. A long time I do music. From school days, you see me, I'm classmate, them always tell me, say, oh, you're a tough dog, you have some bad lyrics, you see me, just do it. And so when the dog connect me and from in our car we start advice, you see me, a whole Toyota Plus, the dog have it and say, oh bro, we have a laptop and a mic, and the dog voice, the first song we have, one song they have out right now, Chop Time, you see me?
Yeah.
And that was crazy. May ever just link the dog till we get a big studio, you know, you see me?
Then start putting some work.
Yeah, and the dog have a link with Caution, you see me? So we are see how one team we are creating, you know, you see me? We are going to bring the wave in a dancehall, you know, we are going to bring full flavor in it, you see me?
Yeah.
All who think them dip on top or who been dip on top, we are going to dip on top, you know, you see me?
Can't afford to come take over.
We are come with this wave, you know. Sean say a time is now. Now is the time, bro.
Alright.
You see me?
So, determination.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I like it, same way. So, as you say, you outline how you link up, you outline how your first time, how you record until you go to the studio. You understand? So, which song you would say one time you record it now, you put out it, you say, alright, people them really take you just go serious and say, yo,
you know, say a God mood and say it still cause but they put out a song from about last year, see me?
Yeah.
Them style there. It did kind of have a buzz at the time when I just put it out. It did blow up for a couple months, you see me?
Yeah.
And then I see kind of die down, bro. But I say, yo, it's still there go up in a car. I still always promote my song everywhere I go and them things. You see me? Never make people know say I'm an artist and one my team and you see me, one La Fam, one Pop G, one Caution, you see me, from you know that we all shoot a video for Cartel and them thing, you see me, so we know say under one team, yeah, we are gonna make the boom, you see me? Them are gonna just clap, but we are make the boom.
Alright. And we see way in which you have about some music video out already and thing. And as we say, we like to see where you are already. So, like an official page for you, you have an official YouTube page, or music-wise, we can just check you out on Caution.
Yeah, from I just check out Caution visuals, I go see my video come up. But eventually, I got my Viva page where you can tag in and say there. But right now, I just Caution beat where I work with, you see me?
Okay. And so, how long now you would say, yo, you do some recording?
I do about recording from about 2 years now, but last year I take it up serious. I say, oh, I need to do this because I have the talent, you know. I'm not going to just make it go to waste because we have it, you know, I'm going to just make it just go blash.
And I like a team overall where you roll with, them fully structured, them have a goal. And as I say, them determined to make it happen. Because I so put in some work and I say, oh, you really flow in the studio. You understand? You really take it serious, and it's like when you're in the studio, it's like you electrify.
Yeah, man, I love in my book, man, no jokes, man, music alive, man, music. For me, hear the word music, that just bring me a different type of joy, no jokes.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man, I like that same way. As you say, upcoming and bringing a new flavor to the jokes, music. Man. So, before we wrap it up, all the people them can reach you. Again, I like that part, and if they want to book you for your event, let them know how them can reach you.
Just on IG. Yeah, man, I can look out for some mad song, man. You see me? We have a song right now with Sean Determine, but it is an unreleased, you see me?
Yeah, oh, you know, jump
that is a girl song, you see me, that I got mad with. That I don't know, the song that got us crazy. When that I got drop, people are gonna go wild. Some girl are gonna go wild. Some man, girl are gonna lift them. You see me, people are gonna ball. A whole lot of things. You see me?
Alright, fam.
Yeah. I'm planning for work with Skxlly, dann, you see me?
Yeah.
We have some mad artists in our mix, you see me? We have Guru, we have Paco Dan, we have Rat Brain, you see me? We have Capalat. A bag of artists in our mix. King Richie. There's a whole heap of artists, man.
I remember I said the space is all there, you know, for everybody, you know.
Yeah.
So you see the wall walling down, you know, if you say, yo, no artists need to get wall down because the space is there and everybody can eat a food, you understand?
Yeah.
And I love the energy where I push, I love the work where I do. And if you say, yo, big up and just take time.
No jokes,
so,
man.
And once again, we would like to thank you for making it the Launch Podcast. I don't know, say, it's a boy King Javi, and if you want to reach to me, you can just check me on Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and WhatsApp. The link for me is going to be in the description down below. The Launch Podcast. I'm out until next time. Big up.
Fully. Skxlly. From a type in Skxlly, I got see my page come up. From a One La Familia. You see me? From a tap in on the page upon IG. You see me? You can link Caution. You see me? From a link any of them artists them man. King Richie, Sean, Skxlly, dann, you know, one team, one dream. So from any connect I connect. You see me? Just get to your artist.
And as you say, upcoming projects, how can I look out?
So me switch it code, get out of control and a fat V6 on it all, turn a girl in a war. So me dog in her throat, she attack and a scream and choke, on the gram she go post it, me no know.